Hey y'all, let's have a look in this self-built tiny home on wheels. It's actually built on the bus. When you enter, you still have a cockpit, but the bus actually is not running anymore. It doesn't have engine. And then you have a huge countertop on both sides with many cabinets, stove, fridge is right here, farm sink, cozy living room with fireplace. This bus was actually headed for the scrapyard, but Luke saw something different and chanced to create a home on wheels. Dining area, swing with TV. TV is actually can be swiveled the other direction to enjoy it from the bed. And the master bedroom. He got the bus for a very low price since it didn't even have an engine, and luckily his family had a quiet corner of land where he could park it permanently and begin the transformation. Bit by bit he turned the old shell into a cozy living space. First he built this bus for himself and was living in it full time, but eventually he started thinking maybe this could be something more, and he started to rent it out on Airbnb. And that's how this scrapyard bound bus became a one-of-a-kind tiny home experience. Because the bus is stationary, he decided not to build a bathroom inside. Instead, he crafted a tropical outdoor shower and toilet just beside the bus, giving it that unique off-grid vibe.